I don't think any number of books can narrate about a place the way people who live there would narrate and people who have grown up there would narrate. And I think that's the magic and beauty of your property, that it's truly a home with a very large heart. Welcome to make you a part of their everyday routine. Everybody wants to, maybe feel like a modern day prince or princess. You might not have the opportunity to actually have a lifetime of that, but a fraction is possible. We welcome you all to Devshri, and we welcome our wonderful hosts as well, Shatrunjay Singh ji and his lovely wife, Bhavna Kumari ji. So I think what better than to hear the story and vision of Devshri from the hosts itself.
We got into tourism about somewhere around 1993, 94 when we got into tourism. We had our own palace. When we were making this home, our objective was to have a home where we could share a life of our experiences with a modern day guest. So when a person comes here, he gets to experience a place which is a home where you get cuisines of this region and of all around India, because we've traveled all over.
Yes.
And we take them out into the country and places to experience what life is in these rural India, but with a cause.
Yes.
Because end of the day, all that which we do is here for the people of this area. The plants, the place, the root, the sand, the monsoon, the culture, the heritage, everything. That is the way of life. But in addition to that, the lifestyle, the fun, and you can have a good party here. So that is what it is.
The whole idea, the whole thing is to showcase contemporary India, and yet we are part of history. These are our ancestors, these are our family. We have a heritage, we have a lineage, but we are contemporary modern Indians who live and So that is what we wanted to share with our guests. It took us about 3 years to build it, because carving these stone pillars took forever.
Your attention to detail is meticulous.
When we were designing this place, we actually sat down and did an Ishikawa diagram of what all we wanted to infuse into the property. In life, there is always a style.
Yes.
That's your personality extension.
Yes.
Be it your car, be it your pen, be it your things that you have around your house. So everything is based around wildlife and birds.
Yes.
So if you might see the glasses that are sitting here, they've been chosen because of birds.
Okay.
And that's it's a sunbird which is on that glass. That's a kingfisher. I mean, everywhere
we have an owl, and
either it is bird or fish or.
And I think birds watching is also an interesting experience that you offer to the guests. So I think every element is also very thoughtfully chosen. The way everything is handpicked is because somewhere there's so much of love involved.
We were very fortunate that we have a guru who guided us and who actually blessed the foundation bricks that we laid. And it is that energy which is there, which I find when people come here, they walk into the property and they say, oh, great vibes this place has. And also we use the Vastu principles in the building of the property. We are more like as people want, what people want. So when they come and they say that, oh, we'd love to see the area, we'll take them and show you the area. We would love to see your schools, we'll show you our schools. You want to see the birds of the area, we show you the birds of the area. So if they go back, they should go back with some good memories.
That's true.
And also what works really well is the way Devpur is
located.
There is Jodhpur, there is Udaipur, there is Jaipur, where there is a lot of sightseeing and people are rushing around.
Yes.
But you have to do the sights, you have to do the Amber Fort, you have to do the City Palace. Therefore, you have to do the City Palace, you have to do all that. So by the time they come here, they've had it with sightseeing. So they don't want to do, they want to relax, they want to go for walks, they want to just see the village, they want to have a massage, they want to swim, they want to,
It's just like actually slowing down and savoring life.
So we have mostly foreign clientele coming into us. And those guests came 1 year and every year they would come. And even now, so sweet, they got their bags packed. They got it The moment they get their visa, they'll buy their flights and they'll be here. They've all packed. They're coming in October. We're
Yes.
basically sitting at that. We've got like I don't know how many families
How many
ready
kids
to
they've
come.
done? I mean,
Lovely.
Why? They come twice a year. And they come here, we honestly, because this feels like our home in
Yes.
India. So we come here and we stay here.
Right. So I would like to ask you one more thing. Like, since you have grown and laid the foundation of running this as a rare hospitality home, how do you see the next generation taking it forward? Are they equally involved, or do they wish to
We've
also?
got two sons,
Yes.
and both of them have taken to hospitality of their own accord. You know, we
Okay.
didn't push them into it, and I think they be able to take it to a next level.
Yeah.
They look at it
But I must
as
say here, we're very happy that these two kids, both of them, growing up in a hotel,
Yes.
these kids have learned how exactly
it comes naturally
provide the
to
experiences.
them.
Yes,
It comes
it's naturally,
to them.
yes.
But if they go out into the world, they will learn much more.
Yes.
We found that there was a fair amount of people who came in for leisure.
Mhm.
But we started finding that a lot of people want to come here for their family events. Anniversary, it could be a birthday party, it could even be small weddings.
Truly said that being it the time of intimate events, I don't think there is a more beautiful canvas like this to weave a story which is more thoughtful and more meaningful. On that note, we've got a beautiful grasp about the vision. We have got a beautiful grasp about what the vision to future is, and I think in the current hour, what we would like to have is people who look forward to this property as a celebration.
I would like when people leave from us, we would want them to have lots of peace, happiness, tranquility, good health.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.